Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with meteorologist Bill Alexander.
That looks so good. All right, let's take a look at what we saw out there today. A mild morning at 72 degrees, fairly decent in the afternoon, but lots of humidity. No rain to show for that. Had some low visibility due to some fog and haze in the area. But look what's happening over the high plains. You've got a tornado watch until 10 p.m. Already a number of warned counties in that area. This is very classic high plains severe weather. Great for storm chasers right off the edge of the Caprock and in the low rolling plains down into the Concho Valley. Tornado watch, dangerous situation there. Around here, much quieter. In fact, you're seeing multiple layers of clouds, but nothing to lift it. Only a few isolated showers well to our north. Temperatures not too bad for this time of the year. Notice the wild weather is right on the interface between the warm air in the high plains and the slightly cooler air in north central Texas, but we're sort of out of that mix. In fact, what we're looking at is temperatures around here, basically from the middle and upper 70s along the coastline to the lower, even middle 80s further south and southwest, but water temperature very warm, 76 degrees. And that's making for lots of humidity. Dew points in the middle 70s, and that's very oppressive out there. And so you're going to have to deal with that at least for a while. And that's going to drop visibilities down into the 1 to 2 mile range very briefly. But there will be some isolated showers, especially the early morning hours. Now, you've not one, but two fronts going to visit us over the next 30 hours. Here's the first one coming in the pre-dawn hours of your Sunday morning. And here it is. Basically, I've got it signatures as a dry line, and that's the interface between the humid air to the east and very dry air to the west. And notice the pressure gradient here. Lots of isobars there. That means a strong westerly wind behind that front, and that's what's prompted a red flag warning for dangerous fire conditions tomorrow until 7 p.m. The second front comes in the early morning hours of your Friday, and that's going to be the interface bringing in cold air. I said cold, and it's going to make a difference. Now, in the short term, only a modicum of precipitation, less than 0.05 of an inch, and a fairly dry week coming up. All the severe weather staying well to our north and northeast. Big severe weather day tomorrow in the deep south. But around here, we're looking at that trough moving on through here, and then the cold air sweeping in behind. Even some frozen precipitation Monday afternoon in the northern panhandle. We stay away from that, but we do get cool air all week long. Here's that forecast. Tonight, you're going to see some patchy fog out there with that south-southeasterly wind, a little stronger than 5 to 10 miles an hour. Overnight lows in the lower 70s, and then tomorrow, look at the change, pushing 90 degrees in the afternoon with that wind out of the west, 28 gusting to 37 miles an hour. Dangerous fire conditions tomorrow. Don't even think about lighting a fire, but much cooler. Dare I say colder in the mornings during the work week. Highs in the 60s and 70s, lows in the 50s. Isolated showers coming up the end of next week. Paulo?